Today we'll go through what's in the bona we ajin bona ajo. Ajo si na enweli ihe ba ajo chi. Enweli ihe ba ajo chi. Mana na abia ụwa. Ọbụlụ n'ụwa ahụ bịa na ọ bụ ajo chi wee bịa. Ajụkwa si enwene ya bụ ha bịa ụwa. Ọ bụ na ha bụ ezi chi wee bịa ụwa. Now in English, our people, the Igbo people, we have this question, or we ask this question: are there people that came into this world with a bad chi? And are there people that came into this world with a good chi? And the answer is yes. Chi to Igbo is this cosmological entity that comes from the Creator, an aspect of the Creator. Chi neke, chi kele mmadụ, chi kele akara aka mmadụ, chi na-edu mmadụ, chi na-echere m. Different connotations of what the chi is. But in simple language, or for simple understanding, just look at this concept of the chi as an aspect of the Creator that creates. Now, what the chi does for us is that the chi acts as an intermediary between us and divine cosmological forces. The chi acts as an intermediary between us, our needs, our wants, and the Creator's design. Our ancestors believed that as human beings, that our reality, it is too complex to understand the magnitude of this chi. So instead of us understanding and coming close or having this relationship with this chi, our ancestors created different aspects of creation that aided them in the understanding of the Creator within our immediate environment. Now we have different kinds of Okwalose, Okumo, and all those things. This is because our ancestors saw them as intermediaries. They pick our supplications and take those supplications to the Creator for understanding, assessment, and manifestation. So this is why the chi exists. Even these deities, our ancestors also believe that deities also have their own chi. Now, the same function that our chi performs for us, it is the same functions that the chi of deities also perform for them.